Here's number 39 from our chain rule problems. And when you first look at this expression, I hope you notice that the main theme here is that there's a product. I have this function x right here, which I'm going to assign u. I don't like the way I wrote that. Let's do this. And then I have this other expression, tangent of 2 square root of x, which I'll assign v. And that one is the one that includes the composition. Now, the other thing I want you to notice is that there's a second piece to this function, which is the plus 7. And I really have to consider that derivative separately. But the good news is we know the derivative of 7 is 0. So effectively, I can ignore that term when I go to do the derivative for h prime. Remember, our goal here is to find the derivative h prime of x. Okay, so when we're doing the product rule, we've been setting up our u and v like this. U equals x, and then the derivative of u prime, is just 1. And for v, this is where I'm going to need the chain rule. V is the tangent of 2 square root of x. The derivative of tangent 2 square root of x is going to be secant squared of 2 square root of x, right? Times the derivative of 2 square root of x, which is 1 over the square root of x. That's the chain rule piece right there. This piece here, that's the chain rule. After we do the derivative of the tangent, we have to multiply by the derivative of 2 square root of x. I've got the derivative of square root of x memorized as 1 over 2 square root of x. So the 2's just cancel, and then I get 1 over square root of x. And once you have those pieces set up, you can perform the product rule and you'll be done with this problem. So h prime of x is going to be vu prime. So tangent of 2 square root of x times 1, but I don't write the times 1, plus uv prime. So that's going to be x times 1 over the square root of x times secant squared of 2 square root of x. And we're essentially done, but we may want to clean this up a little bit. You can simplify this to just the square root of x. So one version of the answer would be the tangent of 2 square root of x plus the square root of x times the secant squared of 2 square root of x. And that's good enough for this video. That's the answer that we're shooting for. The original function wasn't exactly simple, and so the derivative function's not that simple either. But there you have it. So hopefully that helped. That's number 39, and I'm going to try and throw out a few other videos for other problems from this section as well. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Take care.